everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-strand rose braid. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin by taking this small section of hair right at the top of our heads, and this is where we'll start our basic 4-strand braid. If you aren't sure how to make a 4-strand braid or haven't mastered the skill, I recommend watching my in-depth video on how to make a 4-strand braid. I prefer to begin my 4-strand braids by bringing the first strand over the second, and having strand 4 on the other end go underneath my other strands. In this style, I add medium sections of hair as I continue my 4-strand braid. You can choose how big you'd like to add in your sections. Smaller sections when you add into your 4-strand braid will make it look more intricate and detailed, but bigger strands will make the braid fuller. You can see in this video that I've stopped adding in hair from the front after just a couple strands. The rose braid doesn't require many strands to be added in from the front, but you can choose to continue adding in as long as you'd like. Pancaking your braid is an optional step as always, but I think it makes your braids look so much more full and elegant. We're going to twist the braid once around to make a flower shape. If you're having trouble creating your rose braid, make sure to check out my in-depth tutorial on how to make that rose braid form. Now the style is complete. I hope you enjoyed this 4-strand rose braid tutorial. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out all my other videos for more hair and braid inspiration.